Hi, I'm Rosie from ImagineCRM. We are a Salesforce implementation partner that's been supporting philanthropic organizations for over 10 years. Our mission is simple: to help foundations and nonprofits maximize their impact using Salesforce. We recently worked with a foundation on a solution to effectively track indicators and gather critical data from their grantees. ImagineCRM developed a tailored solution that leverages a specialized data model built directly on funding award and grant making principles. We've recreated this solution for a fictitious foundation called Mountain Rise. Their mission is to empower communities to rise above inequity, hunger, and poverty by expanding access to nutritious food and supporting community led solutions for health and well being. I'll step into the shoes of the grant manager at the foundation and take a look at our funding award for the Rise Above Hunger grant. I need to add a couple of indicators for this grant. It's pulling in a list of our 3 domains: planet, people, and capital. Let's choose people, and we'll do enablers. You see, we've incorporated the option to have a library of template indicators. I can either choose from one of these or make a custom indicator. For this demo, I'll do both. Now I have my indicators here, and I have the option to add more indicators with the same rollup or a new domain and rollup, or I can skip to the funding award requirements. So if I click on the middle tab, it'll bring you back to this screen. Let's go back to where we were and click on funding award requirements. Now I'm going to add my due date for the end of the month, and this is date and time, so it'll automatically populate time and save and exit. Now you can see the indicators below. And if we click on the Funding and Rewards Requirement tab, you'll see our new requirement. Now I'm going to click over to the Experience Cloud site, where we're logged in as Frida Pinto, the program manager at the Green Brigade. They are reporting back on the Rise Above Hunger grant they received. Frida likes to get things done early, so she's going to submit her report. So she'll go to the Rise Above Hunger's grant, click on the requirements, the November 2025 report that we created, and then submit indicator reporting. From here, she can submit the indicators she needs to report on. This can be customized with instructions or additional details. She can click through all the indicators or just the ones she wants to submit today. For the demo, we'll choose all of them. This shows what happens when it's complete. Frida adds the cumulative numbers and the date, and we'll keep that as November 30th, just for the purpose of this demo. But that's something that the user can modify. There's also a section where Frida could upload files, so they can add supporting materials as well. I'll click Finish. And once they've submitted, you'll see that the status is submitted and the little checkbox is checked. And if I go back to the Rise Above Hunger grant and we refresh, you'll see that we have 2 indicator reports that have automatically been added. Now, if we want to engage with our Impact Operations Agent for Mountain Rise, we can click on Astro. And let's say we engage possibly as our grant manager's boss, and they can ask Ridge how many individuals experiencing homelessness were served in November. And Ridge responds with 210, which is exactly what our Frida put in for her report. If we want to go a little deeper, we can ask for a summary of the indicators for the program Nourish Together. And you can see that Ridge will give us a summary of all of the indicators that were reported for this program. Thanks for watching our demo. We'd love to connect about partnering to solve your nonprofit and grant making challenges.